friends, I'm sorry if I'm looking wonky. I can't get my camera straight for some reason. I'm sorry about the sun coming in as well, but if I close the curtains, it'll be too dark even with the lights on, really. It's one of them. So I'm just trying to balance. This is the third attempt with this video today. Nothing's working. Normally, when I've recorded something and I go to upload it, the video editor comes up with a QR code and I scan that and then I pick the video up from there. That's not working. So I tried to attach, you know, like with a lead, my phone to my computer to upload. It wasn't recognising the file. So then I went into the video editor and tried to get it from the files, browse the files and get it from there, and I couldn't. And there was another method I tried as well. So I sacked that video off, recorded another one, tried again with that. That didn't work either. So I did a very quick video upstairs, just filming my laptop screen, and that uploaded. It still won't bring a QR code up. I can't get any other video editor. It'll only let me have, on my laptop, it'll only let me have Clipchamp. I tried Guru, but I don't have Google, you see. I don't have Google Play because I've got one of them silly iPhones. So I don't have an Android. So I can't get Google unless I have it on another device. Well, I don't have any Android devices. I've only got iPhone. So I'm having a lot of trouble with my videos today. But I'm going to try this one more time and just see if I can try another method. Because I've deleted my other videos now. Because I was in a stress. So today I was making my laundry detergent with you. I was showing you how I did it. So I'm just going to do half of the mixture. I will just try and pull that curtain towards a little bit. I won't close it fully, but because I need this daily, really. But I will try and... Is that too dark now? It's not too bad, is it? It's just funny lighting today. I can't seem to get it. It's just this edge here. It doesn't help with dog sitting on curtain. He's comfy now and I don't want to move him. I'll try that, see if that's a little bit better. So I'm really sorry if it's funny lighting, friends. I'm just going to try and get this done as quickly as I can. Now, I don't buy washing powder and the washing pods, or, you know, them little pod things. And I don't get the liquid one either. I find it really expensive. I do buy all the stuff in. So I've got my borax, I've got my baking soda, I've got my soda crystals, and I have my stain remover. So basically, and either you can get either the what's those laundry scent boosters, you could mix some of those in, or just some essential oil, which if you've got some essential oil, use your favourite. So basically, this is my little tub that I have under the sink with all my powder in, and all I do is basically put a cup of the baking soda in, and I mix that in my tub, and then I put a cup of table salt, because that's really good at protecting the fibres in your clothes. So a cup of that goes in, and I use a cup and a half of the stain remover, that goes in. A cup and a half of your soda crystals, so I put that in here. And 2 cups of borax substitute, because as you know, we can't get borax in this country for love nor money. They've made it illegal, which is ridiculous. And then 20 or 30 drops of your favourite essential oils. And then all you're going to do is mix it all up in a tub. Now, I've spent on all that, £11.64. I've still got, I've made about 6 months worth up because I've put half of it, the first half I made on my first video. I've just topped up this old washing powder box, and then the second video I put in here. So I've emptied this now and I've emptied that now, but they are tiny boxes. I usually have much bigger boxes than them. They were just the tiny ones. I've still got about a third of this left after 2 lots, making 2 lots up, and I've still got half of this bag as well. So this you'll get a year's worth out of, bearing in mind this will last me a good 6 months. So I will get 6 months worth of washing powder for £11.64. Now I do 1 to 2 loads every day of washing, and I just use 1 tablespoon of the powder. That's all I use. So it does work out very economical indeed. I don't use a fabric softener. I just use white vinegar or one of my fruit vinegars, which I'll make up with you very soon. And you can always put a couple of drops of essential oil in the white vinegar if you want to, although you don't need to, because your clothes will not smell of the vinegar. You're just using it in the rinse cycle and it won't smell. When you get your clothes out, they won't smell of vinegar. They will smell nice and fresh. So I don't use fabric softener, simply because it can make your clothes flammable, and that concerns me deeply. So I'm really sorry, it's a very quick one and you didn't really get to see me putting it all in the tub and mixing it all up. But basically that is all it is. I will try and upload this video for you tonight if the computer will let me, if the video editor software will let me. If not, I'm going to have to come up with another solution because I'm having lots of trouble at the moment technical wise. Technology is an absolute burden, isn't it, friends? So I hope you're all doing well, and I will catch you as soon as I can. So, but for now, I will say goodbye, God bless, take care, and I'll see you soon. Bye for now.